Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fall shoe collection, or top shoes that you can also include for fall into your collection. The first shoe I want to start off with are these shoes right here. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen them a couple of times. These I actually picked up from Ego Official. I know that Bottega has these. They're like dupes for the Bottega boots, but I picked mine up from Ego Official. So these are some chunky boots. You guys know I love chunky anything. Chunky boots, chunky shoes, chunky sandals, chunky you name it, I want it. And then the color. So I love this and I actually picked it up for the color. This color, green anything for the fall, is just perfect. So I wanted to include something green, something chunky, and then you have the black, so it makes it easy to pair it. Let's see, maybe like with some black leggings if you want, some black leather shorts. You can do shorts with these because they're boots and it is the fall. So you have days that are warmer than others. You have days where it starts off cold, but then it's warmer throughout the day. Yeah, there's just a lot you can do with these boots, and that is why I included them into my fall shoe collection. The next shoe I'm gonna share are these basic white Air Forces. I don't know if you've ever owned Air Forces. If you have, then you already know that these are staple shoes to have in your closet. If you haven't, then you need to try some Air Forces. Like, they're just everything. They're easy to grab. They're all white. As you can see, these are worn. Like, this is probably like my second year with these shoes. So I've definitely worn them. You can see all the creasing in the front. But yeah, they're just so easy to grab, especially in the fall. You know, if you're dressing for like those crispy days and you just want to throw on like a pair of sweatpants and a hoodie, maybe throw on like an oversized plaid shirt over it, and then just grab a pair of white Air Forces. It's just for an easy, comfy fit. The next pair of shoes that are in my collection are these all black square toe heels. So these I actually picked up last year from Misguided. They're so comfortable. Like, I cannot say enough good things about these boots. If they're still available, I'll definitely have them linked in the description box down below, because these are just everything. I shared in a recent video that leather is like such a big fall staple piece, and I picked up like some ankle length leather pants from Target, and I'm gonna be styling them with these shoes. One, because they're ankle length, and when I want to wear boots with ankle length shoes, I try to go for boots and boots at this height, because this part can go right underneath the pants, but then the rest of the boot shows. And I love the square toneness of these boots, because it just makes the outfit casual, fun, yet dressy, because they're boots and they're heeled, and of course they're black. So you can pair black shoes with pretty much any and everything, like your midi dresses, any of your dresses, maybe like throw on a jean jacket or blazer or knit cardigan or any kind of cardigan. These go perfect with that. So I wanted these just for those days that I'm trying to, you know, style something up a little bit more. These next shoes I am bringing out of hiding, because I need to start wearing these again. I just really I liked wearing them when I did wear them, and then I put them away and stopped wearing them for really no reason. Then I was like, you know what, let me bring my Gucci sneakers back out, my Gucci Ace sneakers, because they were so fun, so comfortable, so easy. So here they are. They're back for the fall. I think Gucci still sells these. I don't see why they wouldn't. They should be more of a like a classic staple piece. They shouldn't be like trendy pieces. I remember a couple years ago they were trendy, like everyone had them, and no one really wears them anymore, but it doesn't mean that Gucci aren't, like, they're not still being sold on the Gucci website. But yeah, I love this bead detail right here on mine. There are so many different styles, and these are the backs. The one with the red and the one with the green, same thing. I actually kept mine in like pretty decent condition. Like, I feel like it's pretty clean. You can see, yeah, you see how they're like they're still pretty clean. They're not too bad. But if your style is similar to mine, then get these if you don't have them already. If you have them and you've put them away, pull them back out, because they're just like, I don't know, like I know I have the all white Air Forces, but the feel of them is different. Like if I put them side by side, like they're both sneakers, yeah, but you see how, I don't know, like the feel of them is different. Like this is more of like a chunky sneaker vibe kind of thing, sweatpants and that kind of stuff. These, you see, they're not that chunky, and you can almost dress your outfit up a little more with these. Like if I wore these with sweatpants, it almost makes the outfit look dressier, if that makes sense. And then the sneakers definitely make them, like the Air Force ones kind of make it look more of like a comfy outfit. Next shoe, we're going back to boots, are these knee-high boots. Guys, these have got to be my all-time favorite boots. I bring them out every single fall. I've had these for like many years. I got these from Just Fab, and they've been so good to me. Like, they still look good, they still look new. I love the toe box. It kind of has like a small little round here. It's not pointy, it's not square, it's round and just perfect. I pair these often with like denim shorts, and then I do whatever I want with the topping, usually with a blazer. I just feel like it pairs perfectly together. You could get like the Stuart Weitzman heels if you wanted, if you were looking for more of like that luxury kind of boot, but you can check if Just Fab has these. I'll try to see if I find any dupes to these or like any similar boots that I can include in the description box, but these are just perfect. And I know like the heel looks very high, but they're just so comfortable, so comfortable. These are shoes that every time I clean out my closet, I just know that these aren't going anywhere. They're gonna stay right there, and they're back for the fall. All right, let's switch back over to sneakers. These have got to be, so these are my newest. Are they my newest? Guys, I love sneakers. Like, if there's one thing you didn't know about me, if you're following me and you've known me for a long time, you know I've always loved sneakers. But these are my newest additions to my sneaker collection. They're the Nike Air Dunk Off-White collab. These, so when I ordered these, you pretty much know that they're gonna send you whatever they want. Like, you pay and then you trust that what they send you, you'll love. And I trusted them and I love them. So these are just some gray and white dunks with the blue lacing. Then for the off-white piece, you get the orange tag. Like, I can't tell you how many times I wear these, or like any of my off-white shoes that has the zip tie here, and people are always like, you know, you forgot something on your shoe, or do you want me to take that off? And I'm like, no, leave my shoes alone. It's fashion, it's art, get with it. If not, just let it be. Let it be. But yeah, these are perfect for fall. Again, something quick and easy to grab. These are so comfortable. I can wear these things all day long. The more you wear them, the more comfortable they get. And I just feel like Dunks pair perfectly with blazers for some reason. Like blazers, like a crop top, like maybe even like a tube top with some light wash denim. Yeah, they just look great with like Air Force Ones. And not Air Force Ones, I'm sorry. Actually, it doesn't look bad with Air Force Ones. With Jordan ones and with Dunks. I just feel like blazers pair beautifully with that. So you will be seeing me wearing these. Okay, then we have the newest addition to my fall shoe collection. These are the Louis Vuitton, I don't know, platform derby shoes. And guys, aren't they just stunning? Aren't they just stunning? Stunning. I told you guys I love anything chunky, and look at the heel on these. They're just so fun. So fun. I can't wait to wear these. I'm so excited that I got them. So happy that I got them. Look out for these guys. If you're interested in getting them, grab them before they go. I try to say this a lot on my channel because for some reason I grab things, I share them, and then they go, and then I get asked how to get them. I look around, I try really hard to try to find these items for you guys, and then I try to link them. They're still gone. So I just find that now I'm just gonna start saying in my videos, get them ASAP. The second you see them on my channel, just go out and get them, because then they just sell out. If it's your style, if it's something you like, go out and get them, because I really do end up feeling bad. I feel bad when people are looking for them and then they're asking me how to get any of the items, and I just feel like I'm stuck with you guys trying to find them. It's just very, very hard. So if you like these, go out and get them. They're like a perfect little fall piece. I like that over here you can see them better up close. Like the lighting just makes it so difficult, but this is how they look. They're just very, very nice, fun shoes. So get your hands on these if you like them. Then we have these chunky boots. I'm not going to talk too much about because I wore them so much last year. You probably have seen them in a few of my videos from last year, but they're back. They're back because they're simple brown or chocolate brown chunky boots. As I mentioned, love chunky anything. So, and then with the brown, so yeah, they're back, guys. They're back. These are, I think I got these either, I think it was Public Desire. Yeah, I think I got these from Public Desire, and I've worn these so much. They're so comfortable and so easy to grab and just throw on. Then lastly, we have these Converse. I got these last year for my birthday, and they are just so comfortable. I find that these are worn best, or I've worn them and I've seen them styled best with dresses for some reason, like knit dresses or like ruffled dresses, though maybe up to like your calf dress. These are just so perfect. Those midi dresses, I really, really do like these, and you're gonna see them again this fall. I wore them in the summer as well, but you'll see them out for the fall as well. And yeah, guys, these are the fall shoes that are in my collection, and some fall shoes that you should consider adding into your collection. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.